Hi there everyone, it's Gemma here from NLP for Kids, and I am going to be sharing with you today one of the NLP for Kids articles which relates to a series of short one-day courses that we have coming up for anyone who has contact with children. Now this particular course that I'm going to be telling you about today relates to children and young people who are suffering with anxiety. So if you have contact with children and young people and you'd like to know more about helping alleviate their anxiety or some techniques to prevent anxiety from occurring in the first place, then listen up. I'm going to tell you how to do that. Anxiety is an intense feeling of fear or worry. Both of these are natural feelings, but they can cause a problem if a child feels unable to gain control of those emotions, or they're struck with a sudden anxiety attack that causes unwanted physiological symptoms. Some children and young people worry more than others and find situations that others deal with quite effortlessly to be a problem. The anxiety may be caused because of a particular disruption in their lives or their routines, such as changing schools or a change in family circumstances. Or the anxiety may be more self-imposed by putting too much pressure on themselves to be able to achieve. Others are more predisposed to anxiety because of their personalities or because of learned behaviours from other people around them who might have been particularly anxious characters early in the child's life. Obviously, traumatic experiences can also cause anxiety later on. By comparison to stress, which tends to create a tension, anxiety causes greater feelings of weakness and panic or worry. Anxiety is often difficult for children and young people to describe, so symptoms of this will often be identified from the young person's behaviour. Separation anxiety, restlessness, sleep issues, panic attacks, and stomach problems may all be related to feelings of anxiety. In our one-day workshop, our NLP for Kids practitioner will share with you strategies and techniques that have effectively helped many children and young people alleviate the feelings of anxiety. As a result of attending this training, you will learn techniques to show you how to gain control of emotions, tools to prevent and reject negative, unwanted thoughts, strategies for controlling the physical symptoms for anxiety, techniques to help young people gain a more realistic perception of stressful situations, and how to reduce stress caused by environmental factors that they may not be able to change or have any impact upon. Using positive reinforcement to generate new default reactions to old problematic triggers of anxiety, and creating an environment for a young person that aids independent control of their emotions. This workshop is suitable for parents, teachers and teaching staff, coaches and youth workers, or anyone who has contact with young people aged between 7 and 17 years. The workshop isn't suitable for young people to attend as we do not have provisions to care for them on the day, but for those who do attend there will be practical activities, exercises, sharing of case studies and teachings from the NLP for Kids framework. The workshops will also provide you with certification and a workbook on the day, and this particular course will be taking place first of all as a one-off trial on Saturday the 24th of November. If you'd like to find out more, head on over to www.nlp4kids.org and just click on the calendar to find out more information about this particular course.